Mike Jensen, and I'm here to show you how to stitch together photo images for a panorama in Photoshop. And I start this in Adobe Bridge. So here we go. This is the image we're going to come up with at the final end. Here are my 9 images that I've decided to use. And I just click on these. I click on Tools, Photoshop, and then Photo Merge. And that will bring up Photoshop. We'll see it come up in a minute. Here are the images, and we just click on Blend Images. And you can watch as Photoshop brings in these images into the final product, and you'll see them kind of lining up as layers, and it will create a mask in there based on the similarities in each image. This is a lot of the same way you do it in Lightroom, or the program does it in Lightroom, but Photoshop just does things a little bit differently. Here you can see that Photoshop is bringing in the images into layers, and then it will create a mask for them. Okay, and now you can see it's blending the layers based on the content. So again, this is just part of the process of putting them together. And you can see this takes a little bit longer. If you watch the video I did on blending photos for Panorama in Lightroom, this takes a little bit longer. Okay, and we've got our final image, and I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit because you can see that in Photoshop, I've got my 9 layers, and I've got the masks right along here, and it's blending out each part of what it wants to see and what it doesn't want to see. And actually, if you zoom in to the images, you can see the seams in the stitch in here. So Photoshop does a really nice job, but once you zoom in a little bit more, the seams kind of go away, and you cannot see them. And then once you blend all of the images together, the seams kind of go away, and Photoshop does a really nice job. So here's how to do a panorama stitching in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.